people. We weren't able to do a show this morning, so we are joining you this afternoon and transforming the Daily Morning Joe into the Afternoon Joe. I usually do iced at night. I don't know why it tastes so different iced, but it sure does. Hope you're doing well. We're up here in the Pacific Northwest doing the COVID-19 lockdown. I decided to take the show into the shop, and I hope you can tolerate the noise. We got a little part for a parabolic microphone being made back there by the Ender 3. Just a workhorse. Been working him all day. I love making stuff. Today, we are going to read from Just for Today, Narcotics Anonymous. Now, don't think that. It's not just for people who have drug problems. I've actually never been to NA, but I do read the literature. And today's May 8th. Let's just jump right in. May 8th, 2020, Teachable, page 134. We have learned that it is okay to not know all the answers, for then we are teachable and can learn to live our new life successfully. Basic text, page 96. In a way, addiction is a great teacher, and if addiction teaches us nothing else, it will teach us humility. We hear it said that it took our very best thinking to get to NA. Now that we're here to learn. The NA Fellowship is a wonderful learning environment for the recovering addict. We aren't made to feel stupid at meetings. Instead, we find others who've been exactly where we've been and who've found a way out. All we have to do is admit that we don't have all the answers, then listen as others share what's worked for them. As recovering addicts and as human beings, we have much to learn. Other addicts and other humans have much to teach us about what works and what doesn't. As long as we remain teachable, we can take advantage of the experience of others. Just for today, I will admit that I don't have all the answers. I will look and listen to the experience of others for the answers I need. Yeah, and that's what I've gotten out of group. Sitting in a group with some other people talking about stuff. What I find out is they've got some of the same struggles that I struggle with, and that seems to alleviate the tension around that. So there's a lot of value there. Plus, I get to talk, right? And the reason I know about this is because I have gone to Alcoholics Anonymous and Al-Anon, and they're all similar. You know, the literature is very similar in nature, and the format of, meetings all around town, different places, usually churches and community centers. It's really amazing. If you travel, you can immediately find a group that you're welcome. There's coffee and literature and positive attitude. It's actually quite a resource, and it's free. So check it out. No matter what you're dealing with, I do everything in excess. So anyway, all right, there you have it. Our first afternoon Joe, breakfast with Boz, brunch with Boz. Anyway, I'll see you in the morning. Have a great day. Don't forget, Real Window Creative, www.realwindowcreative.com. And we got YouTube going on. We just put up a cool little video of The Apprentice, 5 episodes of the first 5 firings by the Prez, Donald Trump. Check that out on Vimeo. If you can't find it, give me a shout out. I'll send you a link. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube. Please, very important. Let me know you were there. Leave a note. Leave some evidence that you looked at my mug for a minute, okay? Have a great day. I'll see you later.